If you have a chronic cough or just a cough, there's some herbs that can be helpful for you to make into a tea. For a dry cough, lily bulb is really helpful. It's a moistening herb for a dry cough. For a phlegmy cough, apricot seeds are really beneficial. And for any kind of cough or a sore throat or an upset stomach, licorice. Licorice, you have to be a little bit careful. There's, and actually also for the apricot seeds, they're contraindicated for pregnancy. And for licorice, it's contraindicated if you have hypertension or if you have fluid retention. You don't want to have very much licorice. If not, have as much as you want.